Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this smartphone. First of all, open an app that you wish to use in this view, in my case Play Store. Then click on this square button at the bottom left corner to access background apps, and click off an icon of your app. From here, click on split screen and tap on the other app that you wish to use in this view, in my case settings. As you can see, after that I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!